Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing I've Got You Under My Skin. You can check out my cover right here so you have a basic idea of what we are going to learn in this one. I'll show you how to play it one half step up than the Frank Sinatra version because that way the chords are a lot easier. We'll use plenty of different chords but it will sound really good at the end. So yeah, prepare yourself to memorize a lot of chords and let's go. Okay, so the intro, I'm doing A minor 7, which is just auto strings open, and then to D minor 7, okay? And then back to A minor 7. So there are 3 bars, and after that we go to the first verse, which starts with D minor to G7 and then to G major 7 to A minor 7. Okay, and we're repeating this progression twice. I've got you under my skin. I've got you deep in the heart of me. And on the third time, it starts the same, but you're really but here we go to E minor to A7, okay? And then the last line is exactly the same as the first two. I've got you under my skin. That's the first verse. Then the second verse is different, all right? It starts with the same thing. D minor 7 to G7 to C major 7 to A minor 7. But here we go to F minor 6, which looks like this. Barring on the first fret, middle finger, second fret of the C string, and the ring finger on the third fret of the A string. Okay? And then to F diminished 7. Okay, from top to bottom, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then to C major 7 to A minor 7. All right, and then the next line goes B minor 7, barring on the second fret, and then B minor 6, which is the same, just the G string on the first fret. And also, this is splitting a bar with E7. Okay, and here we go to A major 7, which we'll grab like this, all right, with a little bar here on the fourth fret of the C, E, and A string, and on G string, second fret, and then to F sharp minor 7. This is probably the trickiest one, all right, and then we finish it with the same that it starts with. I got you under my skin. Okay, let's slowly go through the first 2 verses. I've got you under my skin. I've got you deep in the heart of me. So deep in the heart that you're really a part of me. And I've got you under my skin. Okay, second verse. I tried so not to give in. F minor 6. I said to myself, this affair never will go so well. B minor 7. But why should I try to resist when, baby, I know so well I've got you under my skin. All right, and here we go to the part B. I would sacrifice anything to G7, and here we have E minor 7 to E diminished 7. All right, And then we have D minor 7 to D minor 6, quickly changing to G7, which is basically you just remove the middle finger from here. Okay? And then here we have E minor, but also I'm putting the pinky right here. To D sharp 7, to D minor 7, to G7. And these last 6 chords are changing very quickly. So let's see how this part goes to this point. I would sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of the warning voice that comes in the night and repeats in my ear. Don't you? And here we play A minor 6, okay, which looks like this. Barring on the 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th fret of the C string, and the middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Don't you know, little fool? To F minor 6, to F diminished 7. You never can win. E minor 7 to A7. Use your mentality. D minor to G7. Wake up to C major 7, and here we have this G minor 7 to C7. Okay? And then we go to F major 7, which I'm grabbing like this. On the 5th fret, just the G and C string. But each time I do, and then to F minor 6. Just the thought of you makes me, and then A minor 7. Stop before I begin. And here we have G minor 6 to A7. Alright? And then we finish it with the very first thing, the very main, because I've got you under my skin. And here I'm adding the outro. I've got you under my E minor to A7. Yes, I've got you under my, and I finish it on this very sexy chord. Alright, let's slowly go through the part B and see how it goes. I would sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of the warning voice that comes in the night and repeats in my ear. Oh, don't you know, little fool, you never can win. Use your mentality. Wake up to reality. But each time I do, just the thought of you makes me stop before I begin. 'Cause I've got you under my skin. And the outro now. Yes, I've got you under my skin. Got you under my skin. At least this is how I'm playing it. I don't know. If you like it, feel free to do it. Play it for somebody special, and I hope it turns out well. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.